Are you looking for an easy way to manage download links in your WordPress posts? Introducing Downloadify plugin, a powerful tool that helps you create and manage multiple download links for each post, right from your WordPress admin panel. With Downloadify, you can add and manage multiple download servers for each post, easily update links from one centralized admin panel, improve user experience with a professional, structured download section. To get started, simply install the Downloadify plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Download Links menu in your dashboard. Click it and you'll find a list of all your posts. For each post, you can add up to 3 download servers. Just paste the links in the respective fields and hit Save. That's it. Your download links are now live. Now let's see how this looks on the front end. Instead of plain text links, Downloadify automatically generates stylish, professional download buttons for each server. This gives your visitors multiple reliable download options while keeping your website organized and professional. So if you're ready to streamline your download management, install Downloadify today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy downloading. Link in the description.